In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your PayPal money off hold. Now, it's not uncommon for funds to suddenly be put on hold, and it can definitely be frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of what you can do to release those funds swiftly. To begin, navigate to PayPal's homepage and look for the login option, usually found at the top right hand corner of the screen. Click on login and then enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. Once you've done that, just hit login again to access your account dashboard. Before jumping into actions, it's important to understand why your money might be on hold. There are several reasons this could happen. Perhaps you haven't sold anything for a while, or maybe there have been multiple issues reported by your customers, such as problems with orders or requests for refunds. Sometimes a shift in your selling patterns or listing higher risk items can trigger this situation. Even receiving a payment marked for goods and services, rather than from a friend or family, can contribute to holds. Recognizing these factors will help you better prepare and mitigate holds in the future. Now let's try to resolve the issue. Start by going to your recent activity or activity tab on your account page. Here, look for the specific transaction that has been put on hold. PayPal usually marks these transactions quite clearly. Once you've spotted it, there should be a button or link labeled Get Your Money associated with the transaction. Click on that to start the process. You'll then be guided to update the order status. Choose the option that best matches your situation, especially if you've provided a service or intangible item, because that can differ from a physical item delivery. Fill in any required details about the transaction to give PayPal further context, and then ensure you click Submit to complete the process. Alternatively, to expedite things, you might consider adding tracking information. Use an approved shipping carrier and provide the tracking number for your shipment. This can give assurances to both PayPal and the buyer about the delivery status. A useful tip is to print your shipping labels directly from PayPal, as this automatically uploads the tracking data for you. By following these steps, you should be able to lift the hold on your funds more easily. Understanding the reasons for holds and knowing the steps to address them can save you a whole lot of time and hassle in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in releasing your PayPal money from hold.